the next day and I am so exhausted. My whole body's painful. Guess my dog is the cutest thing ever. Look at him. Hello, Maxie. Hi. 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 Saying I'm so exhausted. My whole body's painful and I just walked into this house and I realized Shaibo anyways, I'm gonna show you what I need to do and yeah. But first, before I do all these things, so in morning time, and then before I continue, like before I finish up, gizo positive green tea first. Bese, I don't know. If I'm hungry, I will eat. If I'm hungry, I'll eat and then get back to it and finish the day. Because if I don't finish today, it's like I manage. Yeah, well. Fan. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna be done today, but it will be done. It will be done eventually, likeable. So I have to burn a box. There's like I think old clothes and stuff like that. So those need to be thrown away and burned sharp. Obviously, you know everything there. And then what I need to do is ngazitshekeleni lento lena guys mina inqondo yami ayisebenzi into if ayibhekanga the way ngibheke ngakhona, but this is how I put it demo. So ngiyosula the cupboards, ngiyosula my wipes namabonda as well. I have to wipe the walls, then I have to clean this mirror right here, which I don't think is going to be here for long because I have to go and get the fridge la. So I have to clean this mirror right here and I have to and then wipe the counters, wipe the watch along with this thing. What is it called, along with this thing, and then the walls as well. There's some, I don't know what that is, but yeah, the walls as well. Wash the pots, the dishes and whatnot, handy and whatnot on the stove so I can like easily wash it and stuff like that. So here I just need to, my brother needs to disassemble this bed right here because I need it gone. Yeah, but it needs to be gone. And then maybe find my pillowcase for the pillows, put them away safely. The suitcase but those need to go, the towels, they need to go. Okay, and everything in here is organized, as you can see. But those are very important things. Not very like, and I'm hoping that no one touches it. The mirror is clean, very clean. Not very, like you can see stains, but at least it's clean. Like it's better than it was before. And then okay, this is organized. This is my mom's at Kolana. And then guys, my mom has 100 carpets. So like my carpets are too are fluffy and I'm shopping. And then blankets Lena. We'll use it some sharp. I did mention we need to do a bathroom today. So a bathroom is a kind is all guys like especially wait special nyana jang. Anyways, izolo ngifake insipho etoilet and whatnot ebhasinini ngashiya kunjani, but don't blame me, I was exhausted and couldn't come light then. Let me just switch this off. I was really exhausted, like being katele. So let me show you the bathroom setup and whatnot. This is the bathroom. As I said, so don't mind that. And then it has a little mirror and whatnot. And then as I explained. And this is the whole thingy, whatever. And then my flower was somewhere else, and I was like, no, that worked perfectly. La bathroom, and I'll put them there. And the diffuser shame is finished. I need to get a refill. It's either I get a refill or I get a new one. But I'll need to do that as soon as possible. So today I think your focus on the bathroom. I need to wipe the tiles. I need to do that whole thing, like wipe long kinto la go be clean, go be neat. Ngifake itissue lana because wow, injani oh hlanja. And then yeah, clean whatever that thing is. Clean the the windows. I'm not sure if I can do the windows today, but things why my windows of this whole house and whatnot. Then we have our shower. Kuna this white thingy, like I don't know what it is, but I need it gone. So I'm gonna clean that. And the floor for the shower. It has a shower curtain as well. So no, it's not open. And then Lana, I think I need to get a towel for here and a towel for there, or maybe two. I don't know. But yeah, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. That's the whole bathroom. I think, yeah. I don't know, yeah. Sharp. So yeah, that's the whole thing I need to do. In and doing the windows on another day, my dog. I need to do the windows on another day, yeah, well, and clean those frames right there. Yeah, those frames. Yeah, clean them up. Clean up that. Yeah, well, love unlocks all hearts, and family is the key to happiness. And then we can focus on other things because now we only have 19 days to go. Come on. Like, so I need to vlog every day and get fun. But yeah, that's the update for today. So I'm on cleaner and all that stuff. I've charged my headphones because I want to focus. My body's painful, yes, and Katele, yes. But we're gonna do this. I only have limited days now, 19 days to go. But I'm trying to finish within this week before matric dance kaputwam. Because after that, I want to relax. Okay. It's just a bag, Max. It's just a bag, okay? I'm using the spray to get rid of those stains. Yeah. And I was instructed to leave it overnight. And so that's in fact domestic. It's in your boss. Oh, guys, I'm going to use the concussion. I want to put this in the so it got to spray, so I had to close it fast. So I think I'm going to get. Oh, I'm going to spray, man. Okay, so in this concussion, guys, before I do whatever, so I'm going to see I made a mess. Anyways, so ngifake i-vinegar, ngafaka i-rough salt, ngafaka i-domestos, ngafaka bicarbonate of soda. So asibone, hold on. I'm sure it's clear in it because camera ivele I think it's bheka njani lento xa ndibheke nje bhekani. Let's do this. Nice. Neighbor, nice. Yeah. Hey. Nay, nasa puno ka na. Pelanga shoots, if I want to use it again, I'd have to add more vinegar. Because nothing's going to save this. The concoction to clean the towels. I think let me do it now. Now in the sham, you find basically, yabo manje sengiba serious. Ngifana nale skip abengifaka izona. Siyasebenza ke manje. Siyasebenza manje. If you guys can see, but I made a mess. Light ukuthi nibone kahle. Bhekani nje. Kuma ngisule nje lapha phezulu. Bhekani la. Bhekani nje, bhekani. Yo. Lento lena engcolisile. Yo. Even I had to psh. But I'll fix it. Lana. What do you mean? Nalana futhi. Whoa. Avele angibuyisele emuva nje. Guys, I've added those things in here so I can start cleaning. It's getting dark. Put me later handling. Okay, because I was very exhausted. So what's in here is hot water, a bowl, bicarbonate of soda, domestos, rough salty. What else? Handy Andy, into Pogashizija, Sanash Dash liquid. What else? Yabo, costly. But I put everything in here. Never vinegar, yes, never vinegar. As far as manza she said lava. And I'm gonna start cleaning. So cut the manje. Bloody my men Nicki Minaj and Chelanina. I cut the manje. Yes, I'm thinking of something. I'm thinking of taking Easy Jalazi to the main house and then just wash it there. Because I don't like using the sink anyway. So I think I'm gonna take the dishes to the main house and then just wash it in Galia and then just buise lang up. Yabo. But come on, just wanna clean up here and then best I'm being washed is just some way. Give buising up. So guys, I'm gonna leave it like this for a few minutes and then I'm gonna focus on other things for now. But come on, I'm gonna leave it like this so it was soak. There we go. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and then yeah, focus on the other parts of the kitchen. Come on. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you on street, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch. I make bloody move. Now CKC, gon' do what a hoop. Let's start now, take the cover. Heard of me, got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you and I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Hey you, it's Stuart. Hey you, it's Stuart. What? Hey you, it's Stuart. It's Stuart. It's Stuart. No, we're gonna do this on that. I just like that. Much better. Much better. I like when the space looks clean, fresh, whatever. Safuna ukufuli bonda la phezulu and then I'll put back the appliances, but it looks so much better. I love it. Yabona nje. Yaqhebezela. Mangiphathela step ladder. Angazi nzenza. What am I to do? I need to focus. Ngiye ngawala nginisuka nonke ngifuna imali RAF nonke.
Now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. You a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way. You can't hang around my block. And I just check my account. Turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip. I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a
Kokumoya kancane nje. Sikhulumeni ngani guys, ngikhathele. This is when I finished. I was checking my boy. I was checking. Angazi bengigodoliswa yini kodwa bengigodola. To the point where I was checking, and it feels like mathanga wami. Umgogodla wami, okay, umgogodla I understand because bengilong goba like the whole day. Ukusuka something ngamele ugoye. Well, guys. Ngikhathele, but if I don't finish today, it's a
my pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll in no rolls. I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steak. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace. Now it's the crib with the gay. Rolly got charms. The life must have place. Hard to let these bitches know. Just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check the mail. Another check from all the
inside of the kitchen is so much better. But ngiyabona iweza ngaphandle yashintsha uma sengiyakhiza. So kufuna ukuna kahle kahle. Meaning I can't do the windows today, but yeah, this is how it looks. Looks the way it was before, but kushintshile ukuthi ngisulile. Yeah, and that the wall looks so much better. Yebo nje, yebo.
Silly bitch, fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. If you school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable.
This is how it looks. I tried my best, okay, ngizamile. If it's not up to perfection, and my mom will fix it. she'll be the judge fame. Yeah, so I tried my best. Moving on.
I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves.
So nice and clean. I've put everything back. We sell this in but we all know what that is for. But tissue and stuff like that. We all know what a bread bin is. Okay, let me stop talking like that. But everything is clean. I've wiped all the walls. That's nice and clean. Clean. I like how clean that is. Yabona nje, ngibuyisela yonke into la ihlala khona. Yabona nje. Sekuskoni should ukuthi ngimaphe futhi today again. But now, yeah, they changed and people who know me know it's nje ngifukulala. So sengifukuqeda. But I'm done. Yabo should ukuthi nje ngiwash izitsha. I'm planning about to do put up to venze ilanga lakhe something. No ngizozenza. So I just have to wipe the bathroom towels and then clean the toilet, clean the basin, and I'm done. Because the shower is very access. Because but hey, per instruction by the way, I'm rules. But hey, ngilinde a day. So yeah, I started Danny, and then we're gonna go in the house, drink some tea. Okay, go gather, drink tea, go back to planning, then go lala. Hey guys, it's 17:35 and I am done with the bathroom. Before because imvula angizani nayo ngibusy yabo, so I still need to do the shower yabo, but everything else is done. And yabona nje ukuthi bezikhala la because of the way the floor looks. My socks are so wet, but it's okay. But clean nje. It looks nice and clean. I just need to mop and we're done. In the mirror, I'm gonna do bengiqeda ukuyenza shower because I'm fully steam so shower singcolise, and then I have to do that all over again, but I'm done. Le yang-stress ayazi ukuthi angizange nemvula bele ngibusy and ngifuna ukumopha and ngiyawasaba amanzi bekune-lightning and ngathi kune-lightning. Okay. Anyways, I think we said listen to the bathroom, and then angazi if I should wipe these. I'll show you just now the doors. Actually, it's not literal doors, it's like sliding doors, but it's not a literal sliding door, but okay, whatever. So I don't know if I should wipe it now or like tomorrow. No, I'll wipe it tomorrow with the shower and whatnot, because I put more palana and hand. And then funa shower moya kuwome kukamnandi definitely because of the things I used there. But yeah, hey, ngizafuna ukushawa umoya nje, bekungashaya umoya lana ngimophile ngiqedile, then I'm basically done with everything. And ngiqale after 3, so ngisheshile namhlanje yabo, ngisheshile kakhulu. So let me finish up. We have the diffuser and the flowers, and it looks stunning. It looks absolutely beautiful. Like I love it. Kuhle nje clean. Kuyachaza. Ezanje lemvula le. Hayibo. Kuyachaza. Bheka yo kuhle shema mfucamba manga. Can't wait for this house to finish. Hi guys, weekend 9 namhlanje. Ngavela lapha ngenzanga lutho. Actually nginamanga ngoba ngisiza umama. Umama yenze ekamera lakhe. Ngisho le ayenze. Ngifuna uku-update nje ukuthi ngiyenze. Yabo manje ngihamba ngiyothenga chocolate na Red Bull. Ngoba why? Ngiyafuna. And I have free will. Hawu yini yami imali. Uthi ngithole pha nginandaba le. Ha? Kwase kwamnyama. You edit man. Okay, ngisangana. Ngaze ngablurry ke nami. Guys, mina ne ethi eman. Sakno? Yeah. Ngibuyile. Ngidla sweet. Ngisabe udla chocolate. Ngiphuze Red Bull. Ngeke ungithi ngiyavloga bese wena uyakhuluma. Awa. Bandit, Junior has disassembled the bed. But ungcolisile ngaleya and mina ngiyenza shem ngikhathele. Ngikhathele. Again next. Ngishabuka vibe. Ngeke. Angeke. Angeke. Nami ngikhathele mara ngiyavloga wena uyakhuluma. Hayi ngeke mina ngiyangana. Awangifuna. Kunini ngisebenza? Indlu kabani?
Yakho.
Nendlu mina. Awa. Akho nani.
Hey, sebenza mhlabani.
Kunini? Ngize nginamabruce engazi usaphuma kuphi.
Ayisha mina ngiyayilahlela ikhethi ubhekile endlini yami ukuthi hlangane naye.
Naye?
Whatever they say. Naye. Very cool.
Hayi ngiyake manje khona.
Khahlela phela.
Hayibo. Manje khona. Manje khona.
Bathi la.
Bangaphandle. I think uhlani phela umuntu wadlala nenja ngaphandle.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Hoes and who just left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could.
Sibakenzeni ke?
Mabhizi bandlulisa invitation yami. Bangikwadisa because abantu umuntu ubhale full name, abhale K. Uthi full name abhale Bundle. Angimazi omunye uBundle mina. Ukuthi ngazi yimi. Le wes akabali nesibo. Angibazi mina nabantu.
Manje lo bhale endlandla wani udlala.
Uyabo? Ngikhipha record of abantu ngibona yo full name isingisi mama basics of English basics
Shothi sorry.
Imi full name
Sorry ne? Sorry.
Kokethu Bundle Vilakazi.
Okay, ngiyabaxolisela ke.
K.
I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama.
Guys, let's saga amahle. Inkosi uSmiles. Lesaka Momo. Lesaka lesizaka Thulu. Actually, ziwu-2 phakathi lesizaka Thulu. Amahle Khumalo lana. Yeah. Shatini lana and uGugu. And then this is the plastic bag. Then I ordered a mafahla from Ayo. Never. Ayisho nabo ukuthi ngiyaphapha. Sengivulile yami order Mavilakazi Bundle. I order iplate red. And I didn't order this. I didn't order this, guys. I ordered this one. She gave me this one by mistake. And then I feel like I'm but I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, so yeah. Guys, nazi ikete zeimpelesi. Lezi bayozigqoka Where's going on Shrunyan? So yeah, these are the skirts. They're so cute. Yo, these are the skirts. I remember I told you guys where it's going Wednesday. Yeah. I actually should make an example, ne? So I'm scared. But yeah, this is how it looks. I just wanted to show you guys. It's cute, ne?
Face the other way. Child. Ungamove umzimba wonke phela, move ikhanda.
Oh,
Hey.
gotcha.
Yeah.
I can't.
Okay, jive again. Jive.
On my hood, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Damn, DJ Suave, relax.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you?